Hello, Earth citizens. In this video, we will do a 10-minute routine with magnet meditation. The tool that we're going to use is this right here, this pair of magnets. So if you are interested in getting them to follow along with this exercise, I'll link in the description below where you can get them on Change Your Energy shop. The reason why we are using magnets today is because our body is made of an electromagnetic field. Maybe you've heard it as auras, vibes, energy body. All of these are the same word that describe an electromagnetic field that every human being carries. Electromagnetic fields are made of two things: electricity and magnetism. So a lot of the times when we are in an uncomfortable situation, when we get into arguments with people, when something throws us off, when we're under stress, or when we're not feeling healthy, this electromagnetic field that should be vibrant and radiant can be ruptured and broken. So when you're in that state, a lot of things can make you like this, not grounded, throw you off balance. So these magnets here, we'll use them to repair the electromagnetic field that you have around your body. Because again, it's made of two things, electricity and magnetism. So this, using the power of magnets, we can repair that field so you feel vibrant, stress-free, and rejuvenated. Are you ready? All right, so please grab your magnets when you have them. Grab one on each hand. And before we do the meditation, let's first get familiar with the movement that we're going to do. So if you look carefully here, you're going to rotate the magnets in a circle like this. In a circle that's not too big, because if you make it too big, you won't be able to feel it well just yet. Just enough so that you can feel that push and pull of the magnets. In the space, there will be a push and pull feeling. So feel that rotation. That pushing and pulling, that magnetic attraction and repelling. We're going to use that energy to repair the electromagnetic field around your body. So this is particularly good if you're not in a good mood, if you just fought with somebody, you're not feeling healthy, you're feeling tired. Chances are your electromagnetic field has been ruptured, so we're going to use this to repair. So when you're familiar with this movement, we're going to bring it down to our lower abdomen. If you're familiar with the chakra system, the energy center system, it runs from our tailbone all the way up to the top of our head. So we're going to use that. And if you don't know about the chakras, it's okay. We're just going to go from your tailbone to the top of your head. So start here, start low, and imagine you're drawing a circle like this. Feel the sensation. Even when your eyes are open, you can still focus your mind on this sensation. Feel that magnetic push and pull. And to go one step ahead, as you're doing this, imagine you're holding a spool of energy and you're reeling it in, reeling in energy into your body. And for those of you who know, the color of your first chakra is a deep red. Feel the sensation in your tailbone. If you're very sensitive to energy, you will feel some tingling sensation down there now. And as you do this, imagine a deep red lotus flower blossoms in your tailbone. Use the power of your mind to imagine a deep red lotus flower blossoming in your tailbone. Stay connected to the magnetic sensation and now move up to your belly button. Imagine you're holding a spool of energy like a spool of thread and you're reeling in energy into your second chakra, belly button. Stay connected to the energy. The color of your second chakra is an orange color. Imagine an orange lotus flower blossoms in your second chakra. And now move up to your solar plexus, right in the middle of your diaphragm, below your rib cage. Rotate the magnets in front of your solar plexus. If you're sensitive to energy, you will feel more tingling in your body. You might feel some goosebumps as energy travels. If you don't feel any of these, that's okay. No problem. Just keep focusing on the push and pull of the magnets as you rotate them in front of your body. The color of your third chakra is a bright yellow color. Bright yellow like the sun. Imagine a bright yellow lotus flower blossoming in your third chakra. And now move directly in front of your heart. Your heart produces the most electromagnetic waves in your whole body. That's why when something throws you off, you feel it in your heart. So a lot of the times when we carry stress, physical ailments, our heart area gets blocked easily. So rotate the magnets in front of your heart. Imagine you are patching up any ruptures or holes in your electromagnetic field in front of your heart. The color of your heart is a green color, forest green. Imagine a lotus flower, the color of a jade forest green, blossoms in your heart. And now move up to your fifth chakra. Your fifth chakra is located right in between your collarbone, right where the circle is, the dip. Rotate your magnets in front of your fifth chakra. This is the gateway of expression. When we suppress our feelings, we have blockage in our fifth chakra. The color of your fifth chakra is a turquoise blue. Clear blue color. Imagine a lotus flower, the color of blue turquoise ocean, blossoms in your fifth chakra. Keep connected to this magnetic feeling. Can you still feel it? If you're very sensitive to energy, even though you're rotating magnets like this and not moving much, you'll start to feel heat. Heat is energy circulating in your body. Now move up to your sixth chakra in between your eyebrows. Rotate the magnets in front of your eyebrows. Imagine you are reeling in energy into your brain. The color of your sixth chakra is a indigo blue. Like the deep ocean indigo blue, imagine a lotus flower, the color of indigo blue, blossoming in your sixth chakra. And now take it to right above your head, the highest point in your head. That's your crown chakra, seventh chakra. This is the place where we receive energy from the sky, from heaven. And the color of this chakra is a violet purple. Imagine a lotus flower, the color of violet purple, blossoming directly above your head. And now your entire body is blossoming with the 7 colors of the rainbow, 7 lotus flowers with the 7 colors of the rainbow. Bring your magnets to sweep around your head, like you're smoothing out and sealing off any ruptures, any broken holes in your energy field, on your face, and now on your heart, arms. Like the magnets, by moving them, you're sealing anything that is not well. Protecting your body, sealing it with light. Now down to your abdomen. And also a quick sweep down your legs too. Great job. Now, rest your hands on your knees, close your eyes, feel your body. How do you feel? Can you imagine bright lights surrounding your body? Can you feel lighter, more calm, less anxious, more aware of your body? You did a great job. Please take a deep breath in and sigh out. Open your eyes. When you have some more time, wherever you are, you can get these magnets and you can go through this routine when you feel a little bit off balance, or you feel like you need some kind of boost, or when you feel like you need some calmness. The great thing about magnet meditation is that whatever energy you need, whether it's a boost or relaxation, your body, when you connect with this energy field, it'll give you exactly what your body needs at that moment. You did a great job. To experience a full 1-hour brain education-based class, please visit a local body and brain yoga studio near you.